Can you hear me now? Should be able to hear me now. Hey, it's wild y'all let me y'all let me go on that long without being able to hear me. I'm just over here talking. All right, well, hey, glad to see y'all hear me. All right, so like I'm looking at it now. What I was questioning, I'm like, did this really happen? I was wondering like if y'all look on anything like Weeble, Moomoo, any other charts, if y'all see this like little blip we had pre-market. I was just checking on Moomoo and I was like, yo, I do not I do not hear it. But here, let me start over. Hey, good morning, Kareem. Good morning, Jack. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Natasha. Good morning, Yoko. I guess it's also cool that my face is here. That way, y'all know I'm here. But I think it might be weird if my mouth's moving and y'all don't hear anything. But yeah, good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Hive. Good morning, Holden. Good morning, Kelly. Good morning, Chase. Got 500 to risk today. Patience is the play. I'm taking interest, a little bit more interest in Tesla. It's approaching like a pretty good level of support. I mean, there's also a gap to fill, but like kind of seeing what it does here might be a good call, might be a good short. So Tesla looks interesting. Not sure I'm gonna play it. It's normally kind of expensive, and that usually kind of turns me away. But there's Tesla. Robinhood's has some good movement, and then of course we got the indexes as well. But yeah, just because the money's there doesn't mean it's there. Sometimes we gotta wait for the setup. Here, let's see. Let me go to a 15-minute chart. Nah, yeah, I do not. What candle is this? Oh, I don't even have pre-market on. I need to turn on pre-market. How do I do that? Extend. Okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, let's show the extended. Okay, no, yeah, that price is there. It did go up there. I was doubtful. All right, let me turn on live chat. Hey Stan, good morning. My life be like good morning. Sliding through for a few, then on to the job. Hey, appreciate you stopping by for sure. Good morning. It's pretty quiet in here. Oh, yep. There we go. Yeah, hey, we had a moment of silence this morning. So that's all. Christine, top of the morning. Dwight, good morning. Frank, good morning. C Smooth, top of the morning. Tyler, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, D Scurv. Uh, hey, that's a good question. Hero, hey, all good questions, D Scurv. All good questions. Ab, good morning. Hood, Google. Oh, it's Hood too? Or no, Google too? Here, I'm back. I'm in my at my apartment right now, so we can throw up a couple more charts. So look, we got okay. We can throw Google over here. Yeah, it's a decent little. Oh wait, that's not what I was trying to do. Here we go. Yes, Google is off to a good little start. And here, let's drop it down. Dreadhead, hey, welcome. Hey, glad to hear learning. That's where you grow. Yeah, good little start on Ava too. Yeah, so we got the market opening in 3 minutes. I'm still like, when it comes to this spike we had, I'm like, still don't fully know what caused that. No news that I saw directly correlated with that spike that I know of. Oh, euro rate cuts. That's what happened. Yeah, we need to cut some rates, man. Appreciate you, D Scurry. Maybe I need to maybe I do need to turn on like some other, what is it? Maybe I need to turn on some other currencies. Yeah, we got the ECB press conference that came in, so yeah, I guess lines up. I'm gonna turn that back off, but lines up. I'll have to start checking that when I don't know what's going on. And good morning. Finally got my 100 shares of SoFi. Starting to, hey, good stuff, good stuff. Let's take a look at SoFi real quick. So you got 100 shares. So I guess you'd be selling calls then. Listener, top of the morning. All right, so we got a minute till market opens. Morning got a Google call last night. That comes down to you. It's like one thing I typically like to say is see profit, take profit. But yeah, because it's closer to resistance, but also it can keep going. But yeah, a lot of times things move fast at open, so if you lose it, be okay with that. If you're not going to take profit, that's all I'm going to say. Because things it can move fast. Yeah, selling calls. What's the buy zone on SoFi right now for? Well, right now this is the range we're in, or at least on the morning. Hold up. But like its current range, like based off the 4 hour range, demand zone's around like 1324. Oh, there's Google, like with that quick sell off. We'll see what it decides to do. But yeah, I'll say supply is on SoFi is going to be right here. This candle up here at this like 1375 down to this 1366. All right, so we got Hood kind of going for it. We got stuff pulling all sorts of different directions. We'll see. I would like to potentially make a move on my challenge account today. Mass 3DRC, good morning. Whoa, what was that? Oh, that's me. Okay. Yeah, Google selling off. Tesla. Selling off on the SPY. The Qs. Oh, we got a spike on Nvidia. Let's see. Okay, Nvidia's still kind of at this level. I didn't even check Nvidia today. All right, Tesla is going for it again. I'm gonna drop to like a 5 minute on Tesla. See how that holds up. Also see what the different options are looking like on Tesla today. Just so I know what kind of prices to expect. Yeah, Tesla's selling off. Okay. Where? Dang. Our options are expensive. Dang. Like even with this, even with all this selling off here, let me look at them on a higher, like kind of a higher point, because I do really like them right here. So that's what they're looking like on a 4 hour. I do also want to mark that's their gap fill. Yeah, so I'm gonna be watching Tesla like closely on this 4 hour. Stocks open higher after Chinese state media says Trump and Xi held a call. Okay. So we got like Robinhood's crossing to the upside a little bit. Yeah, we can watch Robinhood for a breakout too. Yo, I got alerts going off SoFi. Yeah, Robinhood's running. Here, let's see. All right, hold up. Missed some comments. Gato, buenos dias. Quick 60 to start the day. Let's hope Tesla comes back up. All right, we'll see. SPY heading for a great spot to go in. Uber spiking, Tesla falling. TSLL is the money. Yeah, we'll see. Really want to see. Like there's a lot of attention on Tesla right now. Let's go to it. Let me check in on AMD too. Oh yeah, AMD's moving up. Dollar Tree, what about Dollar Tree? You said no TSL at the money for core calls or for calls? Asked on the one. I feel better with things that are oversold as opposed to overbought. But here, let's see. Wait. You said it's overbought on the 1 hour? Or it was. This might be just enough of a sell off for it to continue its trend if it's really popping like that. Alright. We got SPY approaching support. See what these numbers are looking like real quick. Oh yeah, Tesla's at that trend line now. Oh, Dollar Tree is spiking after earnings. Okay, we still got what is it? What is I don't know about that or at least not for me. I don't know the way it moves well enough. All right, so Tesla is still kind of riding down right now. SPY with the consolidation right now. Let's see how things are looking. SoFi, huge jump. I bought my $14 call, so not so sad if it jumps higher. Hey. Oh, you bought a call? Or did you sell one? Let me let me look at this SPY. I might try to go like light on a call on the SPY. We'll see. Trying to see what kind of expiration I want. What's the delta? What if we go out here? All right, so we just hit support. What do we think is going to happen here? See how we're looking on a 5. Did my order go in? Bro, every time I put in an order, yo, it was showing it was at the price. Like my order was higher than the price. Might get left. Let's see. Here, I think I'm gonna cancel that. GD, good morning. Here, let's go back to SPY. Check a little. Oh yeah, I would have hit. That would have hit. Dang. Okay. Well. All right. So I grabbed a 606 call expiring on the 13th, and I paid 184. I would have already completed what I needed to if that first one had have gone through. But let's see. Let me alert the family real quick. Just grabbed. What was it? What did I say? A 606 call? 606 call on the SPY expiring June. What is it? June 13th. Paid 184 per share. And we'll see how we do here. All right, let's see. What's good? What's good, Ernest? How's the bread looking today? Hey, it's fresh right now. All right, Tesla looks like they are right now testing this level. They could fall lower, but they're pretty oversold. But that also doesn't mean anything. So, but yeah, they're testing this level on SPY or Tesla. I was talking about SPY. Robinhood keeps doing that. Yeah, we'll see how that ends up playing up. All right, so now we'll kind of see if anything wants to happen with that. Let me go on and add that up here somewhere. Oh, this is a Palantir call from yesterday. That would have been a nice hold. Let's see. What were we looking at? SPY? It was for the 13th. It was like a 606. Cool. Oh, they're trying to bring it down. We'll see how we hold up here. Showing some support here, but hey, we might have to cut out. Here, let me switch to a 15. We might have to flip though. APLD call looking good now to see. Here, let's see. Oh, that's one you had though, right? The APLD. Let's see. Yeah, it's been running. Yeah, we'll see what happens on this candle. Okay. All right. We got the Qs testing. We got the spies testing. Let's see what happens here. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous right now. Hey, give me a second though. Oh yeah, Zena. Yeah, that's going crazy. All right, Robinhood about back to support. Tesla. All right, Tesla's in that gap. I'm gonna have to check news to see if there's anything going on. Y'all give me a moment. Y'all let me know if y'all find any news or anything. I'm gonna check news. Let's see if there's a reason behind this or if it's just a little fake out or something. Here, let's see. Nvidia's baby brother set to break out. Trump and Xi spoke earlier today. Is it saying it's good or bad? It's saying, hold up. It spoke on the phone. They didn't give any information on how the talk went, though. White House didn't immediately respond to a request for comment. JP Morgan says we're not seeing stresses in the U.S. consumer anywhere, which is remarkable. Honestly, I don't see anything negative. I think it's like a fake out. But we'll see. This candle is holding up right now, though. It might just be a sweep of liquidity. Here, let's see. Same. Can you look at F? It's selling off. There's a demand zone on the 1 hour. Down at 10, as low as 989 on Ford. Elon X'd more today or last night about the BBB call or your congressmen and constituents. Elon X more. Oh, okay. Big beautiful bill. What's up with all these BBB bills? Was it Joe Biden had the bill back better? Big beautiful bill. Like they like these alliterations. I can be wrong, but SPY might just be a fake out. Go back up. Yeah, it's early, but we'll see. We'll see what it decides to do. Let me see what it's looking like on the wrong time frame. Oh, we're crossing on the 5. But the 5 fakes out a lot. The market is good, but Jerome, hey, for real. For real. Yeah. Need to cut them rates. Taking this time, we got all these other countries cutting or other currencies cutting. Has anyone put in cheaper calls that they're trying to share? Or it's a good question. Oh, tweeted, X'd. Okay, I got you. More today. Okay. Or last night about the. Okay. There is some liquidity to be swept over here. Let me just kind of mark it. But beyond this, it's a long way down. So we can't like spend time below this. Let's see. UiPath. UiPath is what is UiPath? What's the ticker symbol? All right, Hood's at support too. I'm gonna need this to be liquidity as well on Hood. Oh, it's Path. Okay. I don't like the way this moves. It doesn't look like it gets volume like that. Trying to hold up. Trying to hold up. We'll see. The Grump China call was looked at as overall positive because there were no talks for a minute. Yeah, we'll see. I see the put volumes going up. If today plays out like every other day, that's going to push us up as the puts come running in. So yeah, this is looking like it's just a move to kind of draw in liquidity. Tesla looks like it may have found some liquidity as well. Let me check it out on a. Hasn't fully made it to that level, but yeah, Hood looks like it's recovering. Looks like it's gonna hold, but we still got 4 minutes on this candle. Q's look like it's gonna hold as well, so we'll see. Spot's still trying to get a little heavier. I'm gonna need them to chill out with all that and push back on up like the Q's. Yeah, this down is a setup for a bear trap. Hey, I hope so. Looks like we're starting to level out. We shall see. All right, so I do see a Derive just put in a swing for some QQQ calls. Let's see what it's targeting. Oh, that's from like hold up, that's kind of old. Oh, they did just put one in on Palantir though, 6 minutes ago. Some 133 calls on Palantir. They don't show the price that it was when they initiated the trade anymore. You know, we're trying to push down now. Push back up. You said never mind. And we're right here at the edge of a 15-minute demand. We're still this candle wouldn't be confirmation anyway though. Reversal in 2 minutes. We'll see. We're looking like on a 5. I feel like it's kind of quiet in here, but it's also like that's I'm usually the one talking. So it's like when I'm sitting here like just focused on something, I kind of get like, man, it's quiet. Then I'm like, oh yeah, I'm usually the one making noise in here. Honestly, everything looks like it's holding support. Like when I look at the Qs, look at Robinhood, Tesla, looks like there's a chance of it pulling up. What? This is a 1 hour on Tesla. All right, so here, let me check the 15 on Tesla. Back to the 15 on the SPY. So we close down there on the SPY. We'll see how, if we can come back and make contact with this 595.35 level. SPY fooled me today. Hey, the day is still young. Kelly, still very young. The market's been open for like 30 minutes. It's got a whole story to write today. Ooh, that was a nasty pop. Here, let me run up to the 4 hour real quick. Just look at some things. Oh, we're at a 13 EMA for the 4 hour chart. Yeah, if I was looking on the 4 hour, I'd be like buy here anyway. I'm not. Okay, we're chilling. Yeah, it's tough being down on these lower time frames. I feel more comfort now. I just say this is one of those moments. Hey, when in doubt, zoom out. Okay. All right, so I gotta keep that in mind. What's this up here? So I'm gonna get rid of this one right here. Good old Derive. Good old Derive. I play Roblox. I notice. It seems like you like some of my. Whenever I have like just any like just random stories. I feel like I had one for you yesterday, but I wasn't on stream, so I don't even remember what it was. But I was like, man, that would have been a good one for this stream. I know the focus is on Spy, but bros, really, let's see. Which one do we want to swap out? Xena is doing this thing I kind of want to watch, but I got a bros right down the street. Let's see. All right, so that kind of broke out. But they're also at another level of resistance. But above this, it looks like the next level will be probably like 79. They're a little overbought right now too. Yeah, but bros is doing this thing. Check in on Robinhood too. Robinhood is what? See if well, they actually make contact. I was gonna see if they can confirm here. If they don't, they might sell off, but because this could also be the break of a trend line. Let me see if I can draw any trend lines on Robin or on the SPY real quick. Any better ones? Yeah, we kind of had that one over there. Oh, you know what? This is this high over here too. I'm gonna wait, but I kind of now I'm looking at it, I kind of have some doubts now. But I'm gonna wait because it can still make a move higher. But it's like now that I'm looking, it's looking more like yeah, we could come down now because I was waiting on. I was looking at this to get swept, but we kind of did that in the pre-market. So let's see. Let's see if we can at least. We're making a good move right now. Let's see how long this lives, and then I guess after this move dies, I might try to cut out because I have my doubts now. It's like I feel like I see more to the downside. Bros is from my home state. Good to see them doing well. Oh yeah, we got Xena running up. It's not anything I'm chase. Just cause in the account I would trade it with, I don't have day trades. And I don't want it to just fall on me. But and then I already have like a bunch of other penny stocks I'm holding. Probably could stand to like swap out the ones that have kind of died. But let's see. Where What is that? Oh, interactive brokers. Oh yeah, Zena's gone. Here, let's check the volume. Let's go to like 15. I guess I'll sell out of this one to try that one. Did it get halted? Oh no, it didn't get halted. Huh? Oh, that was the wrong Xena. There we go. Okay, I think I'm in at I grabbed some Cena. Grabbed about 20 shares. Alright, Robinhood is trying to hold up. The Q's is back here testing support. SPY's still down here. Hold up. Let's look at the volume. Let's look at the PCE. Here, let's see. I'm not home. Just missed out on a. Dang. Did you wait? Hold up. You missed out on it. How'd you miss out on it? Neil, good morning. So I'm in a call on the SPY, and I just grabbed some shares of Xena, but I'm a little late. But yeah, we'll see. We'll watch the volume, see how it does. All right, Robinhood looks like it's coming back. Let's see if Tesla decides that it wants to come back too. Bad service in an elevator, dang. How long was that elevator ride? Or it must have been like right at open. Oh no, I didn't. We're looking at Xena, but I wasn't in it. Somebody who called it out. I think it was Magic. Magic called it out. I appreciate you not being a lurker today. I know I don't typically see your name, Magic. So yeah, appreciate you not being a lurker. Question is, did you smash the like button though? All right, so right now Hood is still kind of respecting the trend. Here, let's see what it's looking like on the 15th. Actually, it's on the downside of that. We'll see how it holds up. It was right at a, oh. All right, now we know next time we gotta take the stairs, Big Reg. I'm below that Robinhood call is below below 100 or $1 per share now. Yeah, Robinhood coming back up. Q still holding up. Jumped in a hood call expiring tomorrow. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I saw some I see they got some high expectations for Broadcom today. I hope that pays off. I know you grabbed something for Broadcom, D Skirt. All right, Tesla is making a move back up here. Let's go up to a higher time frame on Tesla. See what the move's looking like. Let's go to a 4. Yeah, right now on the 4 hour, this is looking like, yo, this might be a nice entry for a good run. So say you get like a TSLL with a couple weeks on it. I wouldn't get any. I would still buy at the money, but a TSLL with a couple weeks on it, yo, that might pay some money right there. Here, let me actually let me see. I might grab see what TSLL is looking like. Oh, that's for tomorrow. Let me go out a week. What would that be? Here, let me see. So yesterday it topped out at 1597. That's a large move. Hold up. Let's see what, okay. Tesla stock is falling. These 4 things are weighing on the shares. Broadcom will move one way or the other. Yeah, should do well. All right, so Robinhood, hey, making a good move. Let's see. Let's check in on the PC. All right, bros. Looks like it's gone another $1 since we started watching it. Just placed a call on AMD. Hey, let's check. All right, so it's at the 13 EMA. It did kind of sell off this morning. Here, let's go on the... Hold up. I am seeing a swing put that just went in on SOXL. That's bearish for semis. AMD acquired a new AI software startup to boost its AI solutions. Place to put on TSLL. I think there will be more downside for today and expiration. I was looking at getting a call on TSLL, but for tomorrow, I might go for it too. But we'll see. I'm still like watching Tesla right now. It's like it either comes for this or it goes up here. Let's see. All right, SPY's kind of consolidating. It's either going to like make a move to the upside or going to make a more violent move to the downside. Oh, hold up, wrong chart. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's trying to hold. Trying, but it's also 5 hour. Let's see what it's looking like on the 5. Let's see if it can get above this 13 EMA right here. Tesla could fall to 292. I know. I don't think it's wild because where was that? Oh, I was looking at like 299. Where was that gap fill? Yeah, I was looking. So yeah, there's 299. There's still actually some gaps to 289 as well as this looks like 285 as well. So actually, it could fall a lot more, but right now it's kind of trying to hold up, trying to pull back. How's Palantir looking? Let's see. I think Palantir's. Did I delete those levels? Guess I got rid of some levels. Right now, Palantir is kind of doing some consolidating, or not really. It's pushing up. Like it's still on an uptrend. Let's see if we can find. Here, let me try to find some trends on Palantir. Yeah, Tesla trying to move up, but it's also on the could be retesting this trend line. All right, Robinhood's going back to test resistance. That one doesn't mean anything. Let's see. I mean, Palantir. Oh, all I can say is chilling. Current range. It's like very choppy. I think Tesla will bounce around 315, but 292. Do we have news today? I mean, there's been news today, but nothing crazy. Tesla looks like it's. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's gonna move up. This TSLL ran about $8 since I was looking at it. All right, SPY about to come touch that level again. Let's see if it can get above it. Let's see if we make another one. Yeah, we got Tesla pushing up though. We got Hood pushing up. We got the Qs pushing up. But yeah, the only news I've really heard that sounds of any significance was that Trump and Xi have talked. Brother, gotta thank you for the Elf 160 call. Did I say something about an Elf 160 call? I know I said Elf is a money, but I don't think I said anything specifically about a 160. I'm guessing that was more of like a back and forth interaction. But no, Elf, yeah, Elf is killing it. Let me check in on my Elf. Oh yeah. So let's see how Elf's doing. Oh yeah, Elf killing the game. I'm up 82% on my Elf. Oh, SoFi's up too. Yeah, I'm here for it. Kinda, except for the fact that I'm about to buy some more today. Need all that to chill out. Oh, nope, hold up. That should still be fine. Alright, pushing back up on the SPY. Let's see if we can get above these EMAs on the 15, see where this momentum will take us. What about Cleveland Cliffs? What's the ticker symbol for that again? Cliff. There we go. I think I took the 160. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, but Cleveland Cliffs is currently kind of in a range of resistance. With the top of it being like around $80. It's above the 13 EMA. And it looks like support right now is going to be about 721. So right now I would kind of watch. If I were watching this, I'd probably be watching like for a break of 775 or about that 720 area. All right, now it's starting to look like something happened. Because now we're just moving up. Finally caught one of your lives. Hey, we're here every day, family. Glad you could make it. Daniel OL. Yeah, happy you could make it, family. Sorry, y'all. I'm snacking now. So let's see where this goes. All right, Hood is up there at resistance now. See kind of how it deals here. See if Tesla can get above this resistance as well. To the moon. Hey, let's take it. You said you got one that expires tomorrow too. I'm about back to break even on the SPY. If we can get like $2-3, or if we can go, I wouldn't be mad if we wanted to run to scoop that high again. You notice everything reversed that. This low over here. I see we here. Let's drop down to a 5 real quick. Look at that, like about 9:15. But we'll see. Still need to make some progress. The Qs came back strong though. Oh, look at Robinhood. My goodness. Oh, Robinhood's on a 30. There we go. The 5 and 1 minute candles. Yeah, I got you on the 5s. Let me see what happened with the Qs. Qs came back at about 9:10. All right, Tesla pulling back a little bit. Man, look at Hood go. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull bros back up. Check in. Oh yeah, it's on its way. All right, and the green on that SPY call now. Let's see if we can keep pushing. I want to show what this looks like on the 1 hour real quick. Check the 4. This is a very indecisive looking candle on the 4 hour. And roll back to the 5. Looks like the Qs would have been the move today. My goodness. Or Robinhood. I see a swing put just went in on Tesla for the 290 strike. Or bros. All right, so got another little pullback coming in. Hold on, let me check out Amazon. They moved up a little bit since I last looked at them. They spiked up to 211 today. Okay. Pulling back on the Qs. Oh, Tesla's back below that trend line. Yeah, something like that, Eric. Yeah, it's kind of hitting a little bit. Nice that I got like my snacks over here. What's a good option trade for Amazon today? I don't know about a good trade for Amazon. I was just acknowledging the movement. It's like I would say a good trade is going to be waiting until it shows up. Because honestly, if I were to look at Amazon today, I wouldn't think there was necessarily a good trade. It's like the best trade I would be buying at about 208.30 and buying at support, just because I see that up there. But beyond that, not necessarily anything that really entices me too much about it. Panic sold hood this morning. Took $30 profit. Hey, took profit. Should have had let it ride. They took it down pretty quick. Sometimes it helps to hurt for or wait for confirmation. Sometimes it hurts. So far this morning, it looks like it would have helped, but we'll see what happens here. Oh, you also said you're still learning. So, yeah, once again with Amazon, if I were, what I've kind of been doing lately is just been kind of drawing the pre-market support and resistance, which for Amazon look like this. The support was down here. This was the kind of the low of the day before the market opened, and this up here was kind of the high. And then I would just try to play the range. So playing this range, if we come back close to this low, buy and try to ride it up. It's like very simple. It doesn't always work out, but like it's somewhere to start. Dang, we're trying to make new lows on this SPY again. Still no confirmation, but we're back here at lows. Currently up on Nvidia, expires tomorrow. If it expires tomorrow, just know the longer you hold it and it doesn't do anything, it's gonna you're gonna lose a lot of money on that. So it could also be worth it to get out. And like if you see it starting to move again or starting to look like it's gonna move again, getting in when there's momentum, because when there's no time on the contract and there's no momentum, it's like the value of your contract is like just goes straight down pretty much. Soul hood call. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Good little day trade. Or I wouldn't call that little, but good day trade. Y'all, I want to go to Greece. I just saw one of my friends post. I'm like, wow, I would like that. Hit a live stream from the boat. Let's see. All right, yeah, we're trying. We're trying here. We are trying. All right, so looks like the chat voted 63% green. But did we vote 63% smash that like button? Sorry, that was cheesy. All right, okay. Spy trying to push back up again. Where does that put us on the day? Spy is like right at break even pretty much. Okay, I see some of y'all came through with the likes. Hey, about 31 away from El Salvador, or from being freed. We'll have to work for that over the next hour or so. All right, just see when did this go in? I see a call went in on the queues 4 minutes ago. It's a swing. Achoo, hey, what's up, family? Did you smash like? I just asking. Looks like it might be a little close today. We gotta fight for him. All right, look at Hood go. Okay. I don't type. Hey, appreciate you, family. I need to be more like you. Sometimes it's like I know what it's not to like come through and not like or forget about liking. Like when I'm on other people's stuff, I really like have to listen to them say like mash the like button or whatnot. On the other side, it seems like, oh yeah, you should just know, but it's like on the other side, it's don't always think about it. What we say that weekly liquidity on Robinhood was like? Was that like 8? I need to stop saying like so much. I'm listening to myself right now. Kind of annoys me a little bit. And when I'm editing a video and I'm trying to edit out all the extra just little me saying like, you throw a little pause in there. Okay, so it was $84.96, about $85. All right, spot going for it a little bit now. Let's do it. See if it's updated all. Okay, up 10% on that contract. Think I can start looking at some kind of stop. Oh yeah, it's going for it. Push on up. Let's go hit that high. Oh, now it's trying to pull back a little bit. I'm gonna need all that to chill out. Okay, pulling back a little bit. Oh yeah, Hood is going for it. These Scurvs sacrificed that call. Robinhood said that was just the sacrifice we needed. Palantir's going for it too. Oh, look at them. Look at them. I want to see Palantir go for this over here, but yeah, let's see them all go for it. Push on up. See profit, take profit, but yeah, FOMO, I'm not. Oh yeah, no need for all that. Here, let me check this. Yeah, very indecisive on this candle. They're not even like a. Oh, there we go again. There's not even a real trend on the day. We're barcoding pretty much. But we were able to fill in some gaps. We do a little pullback to like 596. I keep saying it. Hood is that guy right now, for sure. Man, I was so ready to like throw in for about 100 shares at 30 on Hood too. If I ever see that again. Insane. Today is day 3. I have made money on APLD. Bought the stock months ago. Been buying. Hey, that's what we like to hear, Kareem. I would like to hear you at day 50, day 100. Imagine where you can be. But it's good that it's on a run right now. Think you made some profit on it. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. I would like to see the SPY move like the Qs. Go reach that high. Cause yeah, the Qs are going for that high. SPY is kind of lagging behind, but the SPY did kind of make a high earlier too. Thankfully, my average hood cost. Hey, that's not a bad cost right there. I'm doing pretty well on that. Me too. I'm in Palantir from yesterday because I'm out of day trades, but I'm glad it's working out right now. Got a contract for next Friday, so hopefully only up from here. Yeah, that Palantir from yesterday, that should be money. Hood call SPY taking off. Let's see how long we run on this. What do we look like on a 5? Not as nice on a 5 as it does on the 15. Let's see if we can get across the upside on the 5. Oh, we already got it on the Qs. Oh, that reminds me. Hold up. Oh, that's clean. I didn't even know this did that. All right, we're got a little pullback action going on. Are you holding any positions other than SPY? Right now, I think it's just SPY. When it comes to options, hey, one more time. You said hood's at the top of the trend. That is, yes, they are. Here, 1 second, y'all. Let me try one more thing. Oh, very clean, very clean. Okay. Man, look at Robinhood go. Tesla trying to come back for it too. Trying to start his own little uptrend. Tesla might be able to today make it back to that 322. It broke through. Yeah, Robinhood. Yeah, hold up. We straight up did get a breakout on Robinhood. That would have been a good play had we paid attention, or had I paid attention. Run, Robinhood. SoFi moving too. SoFi's up at 1410. Hold on, let me take a look at SoFi. All right, SoFi is at the trend line. This might be here. I might Yeah, I'm gonna grab a $14 put on Robinhood for next week, or not Robinhood, for SoFi. I just paid 40 for it. we'll see if that ends up getting rejected. But it's on the bottom side of the trend line. Just grabbed a $14 put on SoFi expiring. That expires. What's the date? June 13th. Paid 40 cents per share. There we go. We'll see how that does. See if Robinhood wants to go crazy, or actually I don't even want to watch. Alright, I said Robinhood. We'll see if SoFi goes crazy. I don't want to watch that too closely, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna just kind of let that one go. Stay tapped in with Palantir. Cashed out 640 on Palantir. Hey, that's what we like to hear. That is what we like to hear. Why I sold Hood so early? Rookie. Hey, see profit, take profit. Hey. It did go on a run. You probably had your target. It probably hit your target. It's like sometimes you can get extra share or extra contracts and it'll continue to go, but it's like, yo, when it hits your target, it hits your target. Sometimes it keeps running. I'm over here paying attention to this, like, this, oh, there I go again. Paying attention to this case I got. And just taking a moment to realize that it says made in China. Majority of things are made in China, but made in China. Have you been looking at QBTS? I think I stopped looking because it was just... Oh, it's been consolidating. Okay. So it's currently consolidating. Still got a nice little uptrend going, but it'll be nice when we... Okay, we did kind of break it. So there is some support kind of here. Do I have is there an alert on that? Yeah, there is. Let's move that down a little bit more. There we go, I think. Okay, so we got the Qs and the SPY pushing again. But yeah, QBTS. That looks... honestly looks ready to come down again, but we'll see. It's on the downside. Maybe you get a touch of this trend line. Let's add another alert on that. That could be go too. APLD. So yeah, APLD has been going crazy. It's just it's difficult to get in whenever you miss out on a good entry point. So as for right now, your entry point's going to be down here around 13. This would be your entry point right now. Dang, look at Robinhood. Really doing that thing right now. That's the APLD entry point for now. Nothing wrong with sticking. Hey, nothing wrong at all. Stick to the plan. Move on to the next trade. Yeah. No, not yet, but I'm learning. Okay. Okay, so we pushing on up. They definitely faked us out this morning with that dip. But yeah, let us push up. Let's make that happen. All right, SPY going back for it. Q's going back for it. Thank you for today. Hey, mommy, have a blessed day. Oh dang, SoFi. So that SoFi put is currently going against me, but I'm gonna just let that kind of play, do its thing. See how we end up closing. Hey, I stepped away. Did you see my message? Let me scroll up and see what your last message was. Or actually, I might be able to like look at your messages. Let's see. No, I can't. Let me see. See if I saw it. The last thing I see, well, okay, I didn't even see that. But last thing I saw, well, Matthew, I've been paper trading 4 weeks now. I made 183 this week. That's the best I've done it. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. That's yeah, that's good. 3 trades. I don't even know how much you're using either, so that's that's nice. Um, if you said anything after that, I didn't see it, but also for some reason I didn't. I missed that. Okay, imagine buying a call on Hood expiring June 20th on April 20th. Oh, that would have been some money. She agrees to more talks. It's okay. It's so weird, like how some of these comments just like slip through. But that's good news that she agrees to more talks. Matt, can I ask what source you're seeing that from? Let me see if I can find that anywhere. Let me hop on ground news. Amazon planning 10 billion investment in North Carolina for a data center and AI campus. Trump losing patient with much criticism of tax bill. Hmm. Alert from oh okay. I have my alerts from Moomoo off unless it's trades. So and I didn't get to check Moomoo. I think Moomoo News is actually really good, like their headlines. But yeah, maybe I need to turn those on. I need to get in and see how to turn those on. But also, it's like I get so many notifications that I'm like, or I get so many notifications that it makes me just not even want to look at my phone. So I try to like, or I try to cut down on them. Oh, we got 100 on the stream now. Hey, family, help us hit our goal. Hey, we're 22 likes away. You can be a part of getting us there. So we got 100 on stream. We got 79 likes in. Well, let's okay. Hey, 17 away, 17 away. Not trying to go to El Salvador. It's been a couple weeks. It's been a couple pleasant weeks not being in El Salvador. So I very much appreciate not going back. CMG another day. Really? Let's see. MG. Wait, wrong chart. Okay. I used to try to trade Chipotle when it was, oh, maybe like a $2,000 stock. I know my dad used to make solid money with it. I wasn't quite the best. I think he just had more money to work with and was able to hold it for swings like longer. So I don't listen. I went the opposite of what you did. How long you plan to hold that SPY call? Until the trend dies. I would hope that we could get up here, but until the trend dies would be my answer. We're crossing EMAs to the upside on the 5-minute though. But getting in where it is now as opposed to getting in around 5, I think I got in around like 590, 580 or so. I would say two completely different stories. But it can move some more. Do I still have any? No, I don't think. Let me check. I don't think I do, but let me check. I did grab a put on SoFi, but that's not doing well. No, I don't have any puts on this SPY. I feel like I was talking about something, but I can't think what. Hey, 10 more, family. Hey, we're almost there, almost there. I think we got this. CMG, Hood, the Qs. Ten more. Let me go put on my other account. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, that's how we be getting there some days. Those days when it comes down to the wire. And then it's like after the stream's over. That's when the likes really come. Okay. Done. Appreciate you. Very much so. Oh, hold up. Got one of those little nets on my window. Oh, it's not on my window anymore. Oh. I feel the need to take care of it. Drop my desk. I don't even know where it just went. I guess we'll just bring it back up. See how we're looking on the 15 real quick. Yeah, Tesla trying to come back up. Oh, I found it. Found it. Oh no. I gotta tell my wife. I said oh no, but it's something good. So nothing negative. Just this place she like just sent me like a coupon. All right, Robinhood, trying to go some more. Man, Robinhood's pushing. Oh, Amazon. Hold up. Amazon's pushing too. Honestly, from that point where I was talking about Amazon, yo, it was at like 208, 209 when I was saying that. So I guess an Amazon call would have been it, and that it went and hit target. Amazon is they are running. They look like they might go try to break out too. Let's see if we get confirmation on Amazon, but my goodness. Yeah, Amazon is doing some things today. Will, top of the morning. Working this morning, so I'm in and out. But oh yeah, can't have that. Can Hood hit 80? So honestly, from here, honestly, I probably should have threw that money in a Robinhood call as opposed to a SoFi put. But I was saying above this like 74 area that there's just an open gap up to what is it like? It's a 85 or 80, just under $85 on the weekly. Uh, I would think Robinhood would go fill this in. Like it's possible it could do that before tomorrow, or I would say that's crazy. But like looking at next week or looking at the next few, I would say that could happen. So Matthew, I'm about to break even on my XRP. I'm in it for the long run, but I'll trade a percentage as well. Any suggestions at this point on XRP? Uh, when you say break even, is it breaking even to the upside or to the downside? Are you up on it or are you coming up from being down on it? Why is SoFi going up? Everything's going up right now, so it it would make sense for SoFi to go up. So Hood, no, Hood has gone higher before. I have all-time highs on Hood if we go back on the weekly, like around when it IPO'd. Hood has apparently been up here at like in this second week, up here at 85. That's why I have that being there. Yeah, this is like a wick. It had to have one day when it's gone up there. Let's see if we can find the date in history. So looking at Robinhood, it was the Monday of the first week or second week. It ran up and hit that. It closed at 790, so it's above its highest closing right now. But when it comes to the highest price it's hit, it's gone up to 85. So it could squeeze. Coming down from being up. Okay. So I would say it's a little bit tougher coming down from being up, but if you're long, I would just average down. So when I was looking into it more, kind of how I was going about averaging down, I was see me, I was averaging down, or what I was doing, I think I had got in like over here, or maybe like I think I got in over here, rode up a pop to about like 290, then got back in, rode another pop to like 250, and then I was just out. But whenever it was pulling back, I was I was buying around like the, I think, almost $2 area, and then I was selling out of the amount that I paid. Like if I bought $100 worth, I was selling out of $100 worth and just holding on to the profit. And then when it pulled back, I would buy more. Or it's like it's like whatever I was up, that's what I would leave in, and I kind of just had free money, but then I just took it all out. But I would say if you're long on it, it's just an opportunity to buy down or average down. So I would just look at next levels, like from here. It's like 191, looks like a solid area to average in. About 178, 160. I would imagine all those get revisited. There is still part of me that there's still like a part saying like, oh, looking on a weekly, oh yeah, we should revisit this 66 area. Let's look on the monthly. Yeah, it's still like 66. So that's kind of how I look at it. It's like it's a long game, or you got to play patience, but it's just something you don't look at too closely, because honestly, long term, it'll probably go up. What's crazy for me is I got some Ethereum, and it's like everybody is like talking about how, bro, everybody makes fun of Ethereum now. It's like I'm still holding it. I'm like, hey, I got it. It is what it is, but it's like everyone makes fun of Ethereum now because what is his name? Vitalik, or I don't even know how to say his name. Vitalik, however you say his name. He's, I don't know what's up with him. I mean, he was kind of weird, even when crypto was popping, but it's like now I don't even know. But yeah, I would just average down. Wow, the way back. Yes, hey, it's cool that we got to see it IPO Robinhood. All right, the Q's is about at resistance. Let's see if it ends up breaking out or if it just kind of like stops. Like those ideas, thanks. I've been randomly averaging down. My average was higher, but I like, hey, it's a good way to do it in my opinion. Hey, spy with a little push. The Q's above that resistance could be going for a little sweepy sweep, or could be going crazy. All right, let's see. So on the 4 hour, he's looking explosive. But of course, I bought puts on the SPY Q. So what are your thoughts? Um, Now I don't know. It's like right now we're pushing up like crazy. So it's like I would have a hard time chasing. Like I'm one to have a hard time chasing. I would be looking at like how can I benefit from this tomorrow now. I would probably just like set it aside for today or like wait for some kind of news, but I'd be looking ahead to tomorrow. But as of right now, I'm trying to see if we can ride to this wick that we posted this morning. Tesla climbing out of the cellar. Yeah, Tesla is what was that? Support this morning or was that? Yeah, that was support. No, Tesla's at no, what is here, let me go back to like a 4 hour on Tesla. Yeah, it's looking like Tesla came and tested some liquidity, bouncing off that trend line. So like I was saying when it was at like 316, that it would have been a good point. Nvidia spiking, let's see. Oh shoot. Okay, it's coming for that liquidity. Yeah, let's see if we can push up. Glad to see Amazon free from consolidation. Yeah, Amazon, my goodness. Still going. I guess that $10 billion like what is it, data center? Yeah, I guess we like the sound of that. On the daily chart, let's see. Oh wait, that's the weekly chart. Oh yeah. Yeah. Think beyond this 215 or 214 high, 214, 215. Next level is looking like about 220 or so. Matthew, new to the trading life, been studying for a couple months. Hey, very, very much appreciate that, Mark. I hope it's treating you well. I'm not gonna lie, the current conditions for trading, very, very tough. But yo, big time appreciate you, man. Oh shoot, we're one like away. Hey, one more like, and we're free from El Salvador. Made it very simple. Hey, that's what I try to do. It's like honestly, when I first started trading, I had no idea what's going on. I didn't know I could take profits when I was up. But I remember when I first like had a trade and it was like up, I was like, I'm like, is this legal? I don't have the money to cover all these shares. Can I make this trade? Like I was scared, but it's like I just wanted to answer all the questions that I had in the beginning. What time do you get started on the stream? So the market opens at 8:30 Central Time, 9:30 Central or Eastern Standard every day. So usually about 15 minutes before that, but not somewhere like about 15 minutes or so before that. I appreciate you, D Scur. High school football coach and teacher for 27 years, trying to make life better. Hey, Nice, nice. Honestly, I wouldn't be who I am today without some of the coaches I had in high school. So, hey, Mark, you definitely play a very important role. So don't forget that. Likers over lurkers, no Alcatraz tomorrow. That's what we try to do around here. Good morning, push that line in. Hey, top of the morning, Jesse. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sarah. Appreciate you. That star looks good on you, Sarah. You too, D Scurv, in them sense. Y'all too. But big shout out to you. I still lost money today, but only. Hey, hey, that's part of the game. Just like college. Yo, it's like we all pay tuition. Unless you're you got a lot of grants and stuff, but yeah, we all got tuition to pay, unfortunately. Bob, hey, good day. Does the PDT rule apply? Yes, very much so. That's how I've taken some of the losses because it's like I'll make trades when it's like I probably shouldn't. Yeah, PDT, it definitely applies to options. That's why you kind of want to have a plan on where you think it's going because it may not, like if it doesn't get there or it doesn't go there in your time frame, you may not be able to do what you need. All right, so let's see. Let's take a closer look. All right. My best my best success with options comes from 1 to 2 year leaps time. Hey, 100%. It's like the more time you give yourself to be right, the better. It's kind of tough whenever you like when you don't have as much money for it, but it's like more time if you see the play, usually very helpful. I feel like every time I try to take profit on something, they always start selling off here. I just want my order filled. All right, so I cut out of the trade. Um Let me take a screenshot. Let the family know. So I sold out at 220. I didn't want to be too greedy. That was more than 10% today anyway. I'm just trying to a little bit make up for lost ground, but I'm not trying to necessarily do it all at once. So let's see. Just took profit on SPY call, sold out at okay. All right, so yeah, I took profit on the SPY call. All right, let's see. How long have you been trading? So it's been about, I think, 6 years. Wait, what year is this? It's 2025. So 6 years. I got into investing late 2018, and then I started like with the options early 2019. So yeah, it's been like 6 years, a little more, 6.5 years. What do you think of Hood right now? So it looked like it's starting to slow down a little bit. I would like to see, I guess, how it responds to the $76 area, but it's not anything I would chase. It's overbought. It can keep going, but honestly, if I were in for this move right here after I saw this consolidation, I would be out of the trade now. But the trade I was just in looks like it's still going to run. Um, Still potential for Robinhood to run, but um, I am now done for the day. Let me check in on SoFi real quick too. Make sure that's not going too crazy. Oh, that 15 minute looks a lot different from the 4 hour. Okay, it doesn't look as bad on the 4 hour, but that 15 minute looks insane. Do you trade from your phone? So I execute my trades on my phone. And then I just chart on the desktop and I execute all my trades on my phone in the mobile apps. I personally find it to be easier. I guess that's how I learned. I think when I was learning, the desktops, my computers weren't as fast and efficient as they are without like shelling out a lot of money at that point in time. Now you can get much more efficiency for less, but it still seems faster to me on my phone than on a computer personally. Perfect exit on SPY, I think. Yeah, I still feel like SPY can come up here. Like SPY it's ran about $15 already since I've kind of called it, but I think the SPY I just kind of I felt like I was getting greedy, so I was like, if I feel like I'm being greedy, let me get out, because this is really about like that challenge is supposed to be about consistency for me. It's not supposed to be about like going crazy and running up the numbers, because showing up every week should be putting up the numbers for me. Let's see. But I appreciate you, D Scurv. Lulu, welcome back. Welcome back. How do you build up a small account? Mark, have you seen the 52-week challenge I introduced recently? I would say that's kind of the thought behind the that challenge that I'm doing. It's like I failed it once already. Um this trade today was me hopping back on it, but I think it's like slow and steady, looking for kind of small base hits over and over and over again. It's not necessarily, it doesn't have to be every day, but here we can run the math right now. What is it? The compound interest calculator. So this is essentially like what's going on with the challenge that I'm doing. So we got $200. Wait, you said no, I'm gonna look at it after summer school. Oh, okay. So yeah, how it looks or works out. I'm starting with 200. Um, we're not adding anything to it, and my goal is 10% a week. So it says length of time in years, but say swap out the unit of years for weeks, and we'll say 52. and then we're going for 10%, so the interest rate is going to be 10. And then because this is years, it's going to compound every year, but it's really weeks for us. We hit calculate. If we look at increasing $200 by 10% a week, it doesn't seem so crazy to go from 200 to 220 your first week, then 220 to 242, then 242 to 266. But doing that over a span of 52 weeks, or if you're able to do that 52 times, 200 without adding any money becomes 28,000, like over $28,000. And honestly, for me, what I have found is the struggle is not so much in like making the trades. The biggest struggle for me has been more the battle with psychology and whatnot. So I will definitely say it's a lot easier said than done to actually achieve that. But when it comes to growing a small account, I think we're the sum of what we do every day. So the little consistent things we do day in and day out, I think that's how you grow a small account. Appreciate you, Lulu. Interesting, man. I struggle with letting profits run, honestly. I know how you feel, Daryl. No, I'm gonna look at it after summer school teaching. So, okay. Is it on YouTube? Yeah, I'll drop the link. I got like it's a playlist on my channel. I think. So what we just did on stream was for week 4, but I got the first 3 weeks out. Let's see. So this is the link to it right here, the playlist. Here. Spy trying to go on a run. Hey, it's trying. What do you think the hot thing Spy will reach today? So I think it would be cool if it could get to this 599.75, but it doesn't necessarily have to. Like it's like the Q's is already above its high, but the Spy hasn't reached his. I would think Spy would at least reach that. Can you post the link to that calculator? Here, yeah. It'll also like, if this link doesn't work for some reason, here's the link to the calculator. But if the calculator doesn't work, you can always go to Google and type in compound interest calculator. It's always the first one. Very, very welcome, Mark. Oh, dang, it's about to storm. I was about to go for a run. Matthew, do you have a live trade you have done on YouTube step by step for it? On a scalp? Maybe. Here, let me check real quick. It's like sometimes I take them. Let me see. I feel like I didn't have. Let me go to my channel. There are some days I'm like, oh dang, let me grab that off and take that. Let me see. View your channel. I'm not sure I would call this a. I'm not sure if I would call this a scalp, but I think this is from a. Wait, let me check it real quick. This video picture. Oh, okay. So yeah, I'll drop this link. So this is directly from a live stream. I make a little recording at the beginning, and yeah, it's this video right here. It's called Live Amazon Day Trade for 85% Profit. Oh yeah, this was I guess about 3 months ago. Can I take a look at kava? I can definitely eat some kava right now. Here, let's see. So kava looks to be showing a lot of support at this kind of $80 range. But it might have some downside. So I would say honestly, if it ends up making a new low, like if it comes past this, like I guess kind of like $79 area, it might have some more meat on the bone. It kind of looks like it's consolidating to the downside. So, or it looks like it's consolidating so that the RSI kind of cools off so it can have another drop. But let's look at it on the weekly. Dang, I'm gonna need this thunder to stop. I was about to, like, I got some shoes I've been wanting to test out before my half marathon. But if it rains, I can't like test them outside, and I don't want to test them on a treadmill. Dang. Let's see. But yeah, I would say like kava is in the downtrend. Let's see. Yeah, got a downtrend on kava. I think it's cool for the long term, especially if you're able to pick it up like sub 40. It looks cool, but right now, yeah, it's in a downtrend. And if it breaks below, could see some more. Why could you see Nvidia getting, or what could, I'm assuming you meant what could you see Nvidia getting to today? Okay, so it's at that level. I would honestly, I would kind of today expect this over here, this 144, 145 something. That would kind of be what I looked out for. Earlier this week, I said like if we get something for next week, I could see Nvidia getting to like 150 by the end of the week. It's possible. Maybe even getting back up to that like 154, 155. Very welcome, Lulu. Can't wait to have kava in August. Where you coming back to in August on D Scurv? Looking like SPY might hit all-time highs next week or possibly tomorrow. Hey, it's very well possible. I'm just here to try to play the range. Right now, buying that support has kind of been the move. But also, so this is what I'm looking at right now, and when I said I was nervous earlier, we're on the bottom side of this trend line, meaning that we can still sell off at any point. But also, it's like the longer that we take to kind of move up, the slower that we move, we can still come back and have our retest of this be up higher. So we can have it at all-time highs if it takes, like if we wait until Monday and we hit all-time highs on Monday, then we can come down from then. Like that would still fall in line with this trend line with the break and retest. So it's like, say this continues, we're overbought on the RSI, we're still below this, and we are like right here. That's probably going to be a really, really good spot to get a put. Not sure where we're flying into, but we'll be in Michigan. What's the OR? Oregon and Arizona. Okay. Also in Arkansas. Hey, that's where I was born. Good old Arkansas. Actually, I didn't spend too much of my life out there, but that's where I was born. Take a look at Dell. Mm, Dell. Oh, wrong one. I used to always feel bad selling Dells at Best Buy. It's like everyone would always come back with problems, and I would always be like, "Yo, this is where we get the most complaints." It's like back like 10, 15 years ago, Dell used to be on. I don't know what happened to their quality control, but you said I was right for feeling bad about Dell. Yeah, hey, just based off of the people that came in, like, that's where we saw the most problems at that point in time. They used to be like workhorses. They used to be good with it, but they got comfortable with their name just kind of carrying them. Oh, hold on, I'm supposed to be looking at Dell, not just like pulling it up. Uh, so kind of zoom out a little bit bigger. Here, let's actually. So we got support around 107.50 or so, or maybe let's say 108, and then resistance up around 116 or so. That's going to be the range. Oh. And then it is showing to be an uptrend on the daily for sure. Weekly, it's still in an uptrend. So right now, the idea of grabbing this on a pullback is nice. So it's like grabbing it at that 108, or if it does break below that and you able to catch it on this gap fill, that's a nice idea. But I don't know. I see a lot of things that can play out just in line with what the market's going to do. So it's a tough one to really communicate all this information about Dell. Worked for a very large electronic company for years, and Dell is, yes, basura, but basura, yes, I agree. Honestly, it's tough for me when people come in and they don't know the specific product, whether it be a shoe, a computer, a phone, or whatever it is, and they call it by the brand, whereas like these brands have different products, and these brands have, oh, this one is good for the brand. This one is what people are saying this brand is good for. But then there's also the bottom line, and people are just saying, "Oh yeah, this is that brand. I want that because that's what's doing well." And it's like, "Oh, that one right there, that's bad. Just because this is from that brand doesn't mean it's going to be good." And it's crazy how a name, like just the brand itself, it makes people think, "Oh, this is going to be okay." Gotta pay to learn. Do you think the SPY will go any lower today? I would say there's a good chance. It's very well possible. Oh, what's going on? But once again, it doesn't matter what I think it'll do today. It's like you can, honestly, if you just take the 13 EMA and just look at the trend, Yeah, you'll get your little pullbacks on the trend. They mix and match all their hard drives, sound cards, and video cards on the same. That's weird. That is weird. Gotta have some consistency. Blessed day. Hey, have a blessed day, family. Have a blessed day. All right, so we got Euro close. We slowed down a little bit. How much pullback do you see for Uber? I would look to what's the next level of support. That's the that's all I'm doing whenever y'all ask me these questions. Get used to finding the next key level, and that's so right here 82 looks like the next key level of support. Should we break that? Next level is going to be about 80. There is some liquidity down to 79. So we could spend more time at the 80 level. The 79 could be faster. If we're still going, there's more at the 77. But all you do is you look left, look at where you get the kind of the pivot points or the swing points. Hey, peace, Anil. SoFi put looking better now. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I got next week. Cause I'm of the understanding that it can still wick the line. But we'll see where it closes. We'll see what the next candle looks like. If it gets nasty, it gets nasty. But right now there is still, or actually I guess we kind of reacted to it once. So we had a supply zone up here. If we do end up taking out this high, then yeah, SoFi can run some more. But is this a good spot to buy a put on PayPal? I hope not. Let's look. Trend line wise, it looks like it would be. There's also resistance here as well. I got this kind of almost $74 area. So yeah, just looking at the charts, looking at how it's almost overbought. Looks like if you get some time, like say like minimum 2 weeks, maybe go for 3 weeks. It's like what's the kind of move you're looking for? I'm not sure what it'll send you, but it's like I would think at least like this $69 mid 68 area. But beyond that, if we're just going off trend line touches, you can go 62 or even back to this demand at like this 61 area. So what I was saying about like the potential for the SPY and the move up and making all-time highs, if we get that in line with, like if we line up with the SPY melting up for all-time highs, also with, kind of what we're seeing for everything else, it could play out to things lining up for a bigger kind of move down. So on some of my positions, I might get some stop losses ready as we get closer to that high. Not necessarily sell out at everything, but yeah, might get some stop losses ready to sell, like maybe cut like down to like half of my position and maybe use half of that to like hedge for a little bit. I still would like to see Robinhood get up to. I would love to see Robinhood get up to 80, get up to that 85 level. come sweep that liquidity it created like its fourth day of trading or fifth day of trading. Grab a short up there, ride it down to, I don't know, is there a gap on Robinhood? Because it's like there's like a solid gap on a lot of things. Like, yeah, there's a gap on Robinhood to like 54. If Robinhood wants to sell off to 54, shoot, I'll sell out of the put at like, shoot, I'd be cool with selling out at 65. I don't even need to ride it like that. And then I could turn around, buy some Robinhood, and then boom. What do I think of a buy on the hood right now? I feel like it's going to get up to that $85 level within the next week or so. On the day, I don't know how I feel about it, just because it's ran so much today. But if you're looking out like a week or two, I feel like it can get up to that $85 level, just to come and take that liquidity. All right, family. Think we're gonna call it a day here, just so I can get some stuff done before I go back over to this dog, and hopefully see if the weather's gonna hold out long enough for me to get this run in. I heard some thunder, but it's not quite going off yet. All right, family. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Thank y'all very much for what is it? Very much for stopping by. Thank you for keeping us free. Hope any of y'all riding any trades. Hope all y'all's trades go y'all's way. And last but certainly not least, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. All right, peace out, family. Peace out, Lulu. Peace out, Cameron. Peace out, Leandra. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Lucky J. Oh, shoot. There you go, Lucky J. Peace out. Who else? The Money. Peace out, Eddie. Peace out, Our Play Roblox. Peace out, Daryl. Peace out, Anil. Peace out, and peace out, Daniel. Peace out, Tyler. Hold up. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Matt. Peace out, Bob. Peace out, Moo1. We miss you. Peace out, Conway. Peace out, Esteban. Yo, if I miss your name, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I didn't see it, or it's time to get out. Peace out, Jacqueline. Yo, yeah, y'all stay blessed. Peace out, family.